It's a new 2019 GMC Yukon. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this Yukon. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection remarks that GMC Yukon makes a compelling luxury that's also good for towing, trekking, and getting dirty. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.